The Froggies Do Not Want to Sleep by Adam Gustafson. The froggies do not want to sleep. They want to hop. They want to practice their accordions and ride their unicycles and play dress up, but they do not want to sleep. They want to go for long drives in the country and joust like knights. They want to dance underwater ballet and tame ferocious beasts. They want to sing opera while firing themselves out of cannons. They are far too busy flying their spaceships and zipping through galaxies and drinking fizzy soda and holding burping contests with strange alien life forms. And if a giant jelly-headed space monster should wake up and grab them and squeeze them and tickle their sides and their toes and their bellies and send them tumbling through piles of pillowy clouds, one thing is certain. The froggies do not want to sleep. The